Matthias has a very special gift for his grandmother. In this video, you learn new words about post office. Slow and clear. Stay with Matthias to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. This is Matthias. He has a gift for his grandmother. The post office is very big. Machines are everywhere inside. Herr Gruber is the postmaster. He helps people. But this post office has strict rules. First, Matthias tries the small slot. The parcel is too big. It does not fit. Next, he tries the scale. The parcel is very heavy. Oh no! Matthias finds a hard box. But his parcel has a strange shape. It is not square. Matthias puts the parcel on the belt. A metal arm tries to grab it. The parcel falls. Herr Gruber catches it. He finds a special box. The parcel fits perfectly. Where does the box go next? Now the box needs a stamp. The machine is very tall. The lever is too high. Matthias jumps and grabs it. He pulls hard. But the lever is stuck. The metal parts do not turn. The heavy machine makes a noise. Matthias cannot do it alone. Herr Gruber steps in to help. They grab the lever together. They pull it down. A beautiful stamp marks the box. How does the box travel to the mountains? This tube goes to the mountains. But the machine is sleeping. The big wheel is stuck. Matthias pushes the wheel. It does not move. Herr Gruber pushes too. They are very tired. They push together. 1, 2, 3. The wheel turns. The box goes up. The gift goes to grandmother. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. post office, post office. Door, door. Gift, gift. Box, box. Scale, scale. Stamp, stamp. Seal, seal. Wheel, wheel. Tube, tube. Mountains, mountains. You listened. You learned. More stories every week. This is More Lingua, English. See you soon.